All right, guys, I'm dropping another quick video because there's a correction I need to make to the previous video I just posted here. And what I discovered when looking at this Adams family, um, what is that? This Adams family estate partnership that Bobby Gray got the loan from. Well, in my previous video, I mentioned, guys, that he had purchased the property and then taken out a loan on it. That is not the case. So I dug a little bit deeper and found out that the Adams Family Real Estate Partnership actually owned that property. So they listed it for sale out here for 2.5 million. And this is probably about the time that Bobby Craig came in, negotiated a deal, and he essentially financed it through this Adams Family Real Estate. So this wasn't a separate transaction from buying the house and then going out and refinancing it. He went to Adams Family Real Estate. They fronted him the money to say, okay, you want to purchase it from us? You're going to pay it off in 2 years. This is the amount. And that's where this loan comes from. Okay. So I just want to put this out there because I don't want to put out any misinformation or allegations that aren't true. But guys, now that I have a clearer perspective on this, let's consider the level of deception that's going on here. Because think about it, guys. When Bobby Gray was saying and telling us in those Zoom calls that he would purchase properties and use that as liquidity. You guys remember in the path to 16, he was saying, hey, I have this property. We now have this. We have this gold. We have this crypto. We have this. Now we have this asset. Well, these assets that they listed were not purchased with the money. So there was no liquidity on that, guys. He's saying, hey, we got 15 million in liquidity. Look at all these assets and look at these properties. Guys, he ain't have no liquidity here because he owes on it. Right, he financed this through Adams. Now, did he put some money in? I don't know. I haven't seen any contracts or anything, but one thing I do know is that he got a $1.8 million loan from this. So, guys, I'm just putting it out there. You can do the math yourself, but still, there's a level of deception that is not so transparent. All right, guys, I just want to drop that because I don't want any incorrect information coming out of my channel. And do with this info as you please. Now, let me start looking into today's hearing and see what's going on. We'll holler at you later. Peace out.